Okay, this is a really nice problem to get accustomed to the idea that we've got variable costs, fixed costs, total costs, and then the costs per unit, etc. Okay, it's just a good way to do it, and we can find out, we know a lot just based on a limited amount of information. So we know that if we've got 45,000 components produced, that the total variable cost is $13.50. So if I divide $13.50 by 45,000, I get $30 of variable cost per unit. Okay, that's my cost per unit, is $30. So that's 30. Okay, I wanted to show it up here. Well, I won't. I'll just leave it where it's supposed to be. And then fixed cost per unit is straightforward. That would be 810,000 divided by 45,000. That would give me $18 per unit. So our total cost per unit would be $48. Okay, now let's look at it for 60,000. Now what's cool is that this 810,000, that's 810 all the way across. Right? Because total fixed costs are total fixed costs no matter what the volume is. But in the variable cost per unit is going to stay the same. All right? This is going to be $30 all the way across because variable cost per unit is the same. The fixed cost is going to change, okay, with the volume. So our total variable cost, if our variable cost per unit is $30, then 30 times 60,000 gives me $1,008,000. Okay. My total cost then would be $1,008,000 plus 810, 2610. Okay. My variable cost here for 75,000 would be 75,000 times 30, or 22.5. Plus 810, 3060. Okay, so that's good. Now let's look at our fixed cost per unit. If I take 810,000 divided by 60,000, I get $13.50. So as the volume increases, the fixed cost per unit goes down. Now my total unit cost is $43.50. Okay? In this case, now I've got 810,000 divided by 75,000. That gives me $10.80. So you can see what the relationship is between capacity and whether you rent space or you own space. You know, the bigger your fixed cost is, you need the volume to cover it, you know. So this is $40.80. Okay. So it's just nice because you can see the fixed cost increasing. You can see the variable cost staying the same, you know, because the variable cost per unit. Here the variable cost per unit increases and the fixed cost stays the same. Okay.